see my screen, we're going to start. I'm not sure how long this will last, about an hour, because I'm busy today, but maybe, a bit longer. We'll see. Okay?
Okay.
So, you guys can see my screen. I have this Notepad++ tab open, and so I need you guys to first start with downloading Notepad++. Okay?
I already have it.
Ryan, have you
Oh, maybe I have to update it.
Update it, that'll take a few seconds. Ryan, have you installed Notepad++ yet? Or do you want me
It
to
has
show
to
you?
be plus plus.
It's called Notepad++.
Not just Notepad.
Hmm?
Notepad plus plus or just Notepad?
Notepad++.
Okay. I can
I'll,
download it.
I'll show you just if you go to, well, let me just launch a new tab window. If you just go to, just write Notepad++, no, and then just go to download Notepad++, and then scroll to 7.9.3, and then scroll down to 64-bit installer, because we're doing this on Windows, right? We're assuming everyone's doing this on Windows.
Yep.
Because Notepad doesn't work on Mac. Okay.
Which one do I pick?
7.9.3, and then it's 64-bit. This one.
But which one under the 64-bit?
Installer.
Okay, yeah, that's what I got.
So go straight for the installer. Okay. And once
I'll be back in 1 minute.
no problem. And once that is installed, let me know so we can continue.
You already have it done.
Okay. Yeah. I have this pair of notes that I have from my old school, which I'm gonna have to photocopy and send to you. This will have all of the code that we're going to be doing from, and like examples and talking about how it works and stuff, and it'll help you very much, right? Because this is a short course. It's a short, like 5-10 hour thing, 5 days. Just trying to like compress as much as I can to show you how we build websites and stuff, and then I'll give you this, and then you can continue on from wherever you want. Okay? Because I'm not a web developer. I'm a computational programmer. So my job isn't to build websites. So don't take it from me. I'm not an expert. I'm only teaching you what I know. Okay?
Okay.
Is it recording now?
Yes.
Okay.
You okay, Ryan? You got it?
Yep, it's all done.
Okay, installed. So, have you got a window that looks like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, Anil, you too?
No, I closed it. Am I supposed to create a new text document?
Yes, create a new tab, because you'll see why it's not a text document in a sec. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to save this. But first,
Okay, I just go to File, New.
Yes, or just do Control N.
Okay. Well, I have a new one here.
Okay, good.
It says New One.
Yes, good. Now, what we're going to have to do is Control S. Oh, sorry. What the hell? Sorry, we're back. Okay, anyway. Control S. We're going to have
That's for save, right?
Yeah. We need to save this. What the hell happened? Now everything's not working. Anyway, we do File and then Save As, right? We can do... And then what we're going to save it is we're going to, instead of .txt, as you can see here, we're going to save it as a .html file. And that's going to do something different. You'll see why this is very important in a sec. I'm just going to create...
Wait, should I do that right now?
Yes, you have to save it. Save
Okay.
before you start, because it'll make your life a lot easier. Anyway, I'm just going to create a new folder, and you'll see...
Is it .html file?
Yes, no, just .html, like lowercase.
Right.
So we're just going to do this like lesson1.html, like so. If you guys can see. Okay.
There's a logo of Google Chrome. Yeah, then HTML file has a logo of a Google Chrome.
Yes, that would be good.
Yes.
Oh, okay, then I get it.
Documents folder. Anyway, sorry, give me a sec. HTML. Okay, lesson1.html save. Okay, you guys ready to start?
Looking for the HTML.
Once you're ready, Ryan, let me know. We can make a start. Okay? Right.
I'm just looking for where I select HTML as the file type.
No, just write .html.
Oh,
In
and the
lowercase.
file name.
Yes, just do whatever you want to call it,
Oh.
.html in lowercase.
Okay, really? Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah. The same that we do in machine learning for .data, .dat. So same thing. The non-standard.
The
Don't worry.
space is fine, like in the actual name itself.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. Done.
Okay, ready? So now if you look, you should have a window that looks like so. And it says your lesson1.html up here, right? So to begin with, I'm going to show you how we start an HTML document. We're going to start it with, first we have to declare our document type. Normally, if this was the computer science class, I would go into like theory and stuff, but not. This is just to teach you HTML. So doc type HTML. So this is how we do it. This is how we tell the Notepad++ and whatever browser we're running it on to tell us that this is an HTML document, okay? So it's like so. You guys can see that?
Yep.
Okay. So,
With a space in between?
yes. With a space
Yeah,
in between. So, yeah, it highlights it, it tells you that. So, what we're going to do now is we'll do this. HTML, sorry, that shouldn't be in capitals. I apologize. HTML, like so. Now, what this is anything that goes underneath here will be counted as part of this HTML file. So, to close this up, we do this. No, sorry.
Oh, this
Slash HTML.
Like so, /HTML. Now we're gonna write our code inside this. We've just created like a thing that tells us what the code inside here should be. Okay. So this is how you start, and this is how you end. You always end the line whenever you're finished running your thing. You're going to end it with a slash in whatever you started with. Okay. So that's going to be HTML.
Okay.
And we're going to start writing our code in here. And now we're going to have different sections of code where, you know, these different sections of code are called tags. We have different tags of code. We have the head, we have the body, right? So the head, we're going to start with the head. So what does the head do? The head, let's find out.
Mr. Jimmy,
Yes?
can you hold the control key and scroll mouse wheel so that we can see it clearer?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I can see it pretty clear, but I guess.
Because this
Okay.
is pretty, because I have a 4K monitor, this is about as zoomed as it gets, okay?
Okay.
Is that okay for you?
That's cool.
Okay.
That's cool.
I could make it, if you just go to settings, you can do like window.
So this is where this allows you to enter the heading.
What a heading is I'll describe what a heading is in a sec. Just let me change the...
Heading is like website's heading. It's like the
So
little in the little tab thing, I
Yes,
think.
that's correct, that's correct. At the little top of the tab, that's your heading. New document, language, highlighting, fronting, back, up, bottom. Where can I change
Here, I can see this fine. If you just control zoom,
big
that's fine.
icons. Those are some big icons. You know what? Nobody likes that big icons. Standard icons. Anyway, if you can see this, that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So inside our head is how we, like Neil said, is where we have our top of our tab. Like if we look at our here, this is the heading up here. This is this is our head. This is our what we call our title. And how we do that is we're going to put a tab here, right? We have our, well, normally it's a
Tab is not necessary, right?
It's not necessary, but it just, you know what? It's absolutely not necessary. It just helps you tell where stuff go. You go, and then we do title, and then we go title, like so, and then we're going to write our text, which is going to be like you know, like our first website, web page, our first web page, right? And how do we end it? We end it with our slash title, like so, right? That is our head. So now if we command save, we save this file and then we run it. That we can actually see that it's going to be called first web page. And how do we run this? It's simple. You go to you see where the tab, where my little tab thing is. Right click on it and then say open in default viewer. Okay? So if you open it in default viewer and we just drag it here, notice how
Oh, yeah.
it says.
I directly clicked on it and it just opened up the web page. Yeah, but
Yeah,
that's
okay,
fine.
that
Yeah.
worked. Then it says first web page. Notice up here that we called our title. That is our title. That's in our head section. So whatever goes in our head will go in our title. But our head can be also used for the stylizing of our website, so different colors and things. And that's when CSS comes in. But for now, we're just going to be working with basic texts so that you can see how we do it. The next step is creating the body of the text. And the body of the website is our body. And again, /body is how we close stuff up. Like so. Anything that goes inside of the body of the text is where we have all of our stuff, like all of our texts and our images and stuff, okay? So how are we going to do this? Is we're going to do it like this. We're going to... How do you write something with text? We can do this. H1, and then we write the text. Hello world. Okay?
That's the header, right?
Well, yes, it means header 1. And what that means is we can change the size of the font by changing this number. Header 2 is smaller, so 1 is the big, header 3 is small, header 4, and we can test that. We can just like copy and paste this, and we can just change to 2, and then we can do 3, and so on. So if we control save this and then rerun it, open the default viewer, notice how it goes smaller and smaller and smaller.
Oh, I see.
Okay? So H1 is heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and the number represents the size of the text. Okay?
Which they're all headings.
Yes, that's what H means. It means heading.
Okay.
You can have thousands of headings. It doesn't matter. That's just how you can write text. Okay? But you don't always want to write text in headings. We want to write it in paragraphs. And to write paragraphs, we just do a simple P, and then our /P, and then we write whatever we want in here. So,
Sorry, what's P again?
P is paragraph. It's like heading, but it's more, you can write loads of things, and it's not of it doesn't, putting a number here won't decrease or change its size. It's a standard size. This is the first page, for example, right? So if we control save this and run it again.
How do you open this again? Like in that thing you opened it.
I do here, and then I go to open in where is it? Sorry, it says open in open in default viewer.
Oh, right, you can just go to the
file.
saved HTML file and just click on it.
Double click it, yeah,
You
that
can
will work.
That's it.
That works as well, but it just notice, so you have this. Notice how this is bold and this isn't, but we can also make this bold, so don't worry, we'll do that later. Give me a second, or never mind. You have this bold stuff. Notice how the headings are bold, and you have your text that isn't bold, right? That's what.
Can I see your code again?
Yes.
So the size of the paragraph is set.
Yes, it's a set size. We can change that size, but that will change everything for that paragraph.
Because my size looks very much bigger than yours. There's like a tiny dot compared to the hello world. I have my hello world on header 1, and then my this is the first page. Looks like header 2.
That is because of the monitoring scaling. It depends on your resolution and how it renders.
Okay.
So 4K will always make text appear smaller unless you change it yourself. But
I have 180p.
so yeah, you can see yours is 4 times smaller. That's why things will upscale better. But anyway, don't worry about it. But you can notice how we can write anything in this. It can be very, very long, and it'll be on the website, on the webpage. Okay.
Will you automatically have like a scroll wheel to view all the things if it's very long?
No, it'll automatically look. If I show you, I might be able to actually. If I make it long enough, I might. You can actually it'll compress for you. Like if it's so long, it'll start compressing it for you.
The size of the text.
Yeah. So like if I
I don't know, just go to Wikipedia and copy a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, if I do this, right, and then rerun it.
Okay.
Let's just run you again. And then we compress. See how it's kind of, well, it kind of like shoves it underneath here. Because this is one word, it would normally be, because if there were spaces between each one, right? Then it would do the compression. But notice how it does do the compression. Because, look, the A's are there, and now they're underneath. So
yeah, I'm trying that.
I'm
trying that. I'm trying to put space in between A's and see if it works.
Yeah, it will work. Trust me. I've done enough of this that, yeah, it definitely works. It's already built in. Like, HTML5 has a lot of built-in stuff. You don't have to do it. Anyway, now lists, sorry, I forgot to show you something called the break. The break is just, you write this, BR, it's BR, and this is just a space, like a white space that you put beneath a paragraph. Or beneath anything, between text, if you want there to be a space between your text. So,
okay.
Look, see, notice how there's a space now here. A big space. That's what BR does. So you don't have to end it, it's just like that. So just BR like that. Okay?
Okay, easy.
You okay, Ryan?
Yep.
Okay. Now I'm going to...
One question?
Yes?
Okay, I used to run it from the just the HTML file. How do you run it from the page, from Notepad++ again?
Okay, go up to your thing here. You see that little tab here?
Okay.
Go to your tab, click there, and then say open from default in viewer. Open in default viewer. And that should...
Okay, that works.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Thanks.
No problem. Are we ready to move on to the next thing?
Yep.
Okay. So the next thing I'm going to introduce you are the concept of lists, and lists can be either bullet points or like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can do this like, we have ULs, which are unordered list, which means bullet points, and we have OLs, which look like this, and these are ordered lists. Let me demonstrate how you use these. Again, we have to UL, sorry. And now how do we add entries in this list? And to add entries in this list, we do like so. We do li, and then we write something like hi, right? And then we have to end the li, which means, it means list, well, I originally used to think it meant list entry, but like, whatever. And all you can do is like, you can copy that, and you can write other things like sup, and like yo, I don't know, I'm not very cool. So you have there this, and let's delete the ordered list for a sec. So if we save this and run it, notice how, boom, it now says, it's a bullet point. It says, you know, hi sup yo, okay? So that is your bullet point list. Bullet point lists are UL, which means unordered list. Now, an ordered list is the opposite. It is OL. And how do we do OLs, and what our OLs do? You'll see. So OLs create, let's li, you know what, we can do the same, because that's no different. So li is what you do, is put your list entry, like into your list, okay? So what will this do versus what will that do? Well, let's find out. We'll run it. And you'll see here, now you have a 1, 2, 3, and this is
okay.
So that's what it means by ordered list and unordered. So unordered can be in any order you want. Ordered list is a set value of order. Okay? That is the concept of like lists. You can create a lot of stuff with this, but I want to show you how we can make like bold, and to make something bold, we do this. We put strong, right? And then we put on the other side /strong, right? This is our strong. This will make this high bold. So we do this and we run our in default viewer. That didn't work. Why didn't it work? Not. It should work. Hi li strong. It should work. I don't see why it doesn't. My commands here say that this works. But it should, okay? Just imagine it does.
What does it do?
It makes the text bold. It makes the high here bold. So anything put between the strongs make it bold. So let's see if I try doing it like this. Let's make
Oh
this.
wait, you didn't do the close strong. You just wrote strong.
Did I not? I thought I did.
You did. I did.
Oh.
So if we
I
try this,
wasn't sure.
let's make this strong, right? It didn't work.
Oh, okay, I wasn't sure.
I'm confused now because this definitely should work. No, never mind about it. We can return to why these don't work. We'll figure something out along the way, okay? But for now,
okay.
we'll figure something out. Don't worry about it. Now I'm going to have to show you how do we put images into our website. All right, we've got this nice website, for example, but what if we want to insert an image? And we do this like so. We do image src. So src means source. Image source, and then we're going to have two brackets here. Or two, whatever these things are called.
Before the quotes, there's like a dash.
Oh, that's an equal.
Oh, okay.
That's an equal sign. I would make this bigger, but I just can't make this bigger. So you've got that, and then what's going to go in here, I'll show you. I'm going to put it like this. So what goes in here? This is going to be the name of the image file. So let us do some examples. We can go on the internet and download an image. So let's do that. I don't exactly have any particular
search image.
I just like
see what happens.
Any image, like image. What's an image? Okay, Baby Yoda. I'll take Baby Yoda, right? Right. So we can download this image. We save image as, and then we can. It's in this, but I don't like that because it's just a long file. Let's just call it Baby Yoda. You're welcome to download whatever image you want. So you have babyyoda.jpg, right? So let's save it. And now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to bring this file that we downloaded and put it in the same place that we're storing all of our HTML stuff, so that they can easily access each other. And to do that, you have to find where you did it, where you put your thing. So I put mine in documents. So I go to my documents and I find my Baby Yoda and then drag it into my HTML folder. Where's my Baby Yoda file? Baby Yoda. Put it into my HTML folder, and now we have our Baby Yoda plus whatever HTML you call it. Does that make sense?
Yeah. What happens if you put an image name and the image name's wrong?
If you put an image name and an image name is wrong, it won't do anything.
It won't have like an error though, right?
No, it won't tell you. This HTML doesn't give errors. It just doesn't function. So what I've done is I've put in my HTML file in some lesson file, and then I put HTML with the image, because now they can access each other. They have to be in the same directory to access each other.
Oh, one question. That image picture.
Yes, Neil?
You know, there's a little logo in the tab thing. Can you insert image there?
Logo in the tab. Where?
Yeah, you know, in the tab.
Here.
Like, no. Like in Google Chrome's tab, each tab has a logo.
Yes. Can you
put image there? It's in the head section, right?
Yes, that is a little harder to do, but don't worry about that. Just for now, stick to shoving images into here, right?
Okay.
This file doesn't exist anymore. Yes, it does. Anyway, so now remember my file was called babyyoda.jpg. And now let's save this and run it, and hopefully it will. Now, what has gone wrong is it's probably either I named the thing wrong or...
It's JPG, not JPEG.
It's JPEG.
What? There
exists JPEG files?
Isn't it just JPG? It's .jpg.
I would think so.
Right.
But
well, I download something .png and it works for me.
Okay, yeah, PNGs tend to be more stable. Okay, yeah, that doesn't work. anyway, we can. You get the point. You put the image there, and you've got your image. That's how we put our image. We go image src dot blah 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 blah. Okay, that's how we insert images. Now, let's see. How do we insert videos? Or how do we insert links? That's the next thing I want to do, is inserting a link into our website. We can insert a link by doing this. We do a. It can be a little weird. It could be href is equal to whatever your website name will be. I'm not sure how. Let's see, www.google.com, right? That's our website, href. And then what we're going to do is we're going to then write outside of this, we're going to write link to Google. And you'll see what this does in a sec. We link to Google, and then we're going to end this with an A. So what does this do? Sorry. So what does this all do? Well, okay, yeah. So what is this going to do? Is you'll see in a smidgen of a sec. You have some link here, right? And it says link to Google. I press on it, and apparently google.com doesn't exist, but never mind.
Mine worked.
What this link really does is it's telling you to go to this website that you put here. And then the text that follows tells you what the text appears on the screen.
Oh, that's so cool. What's up?
So, I don't know any websites what their actual URLs are. Actually, I'm going to insert this web URL, the one that we're currently for this meet, right? If I put this meet link here, link to
when you
Google.
Click on it, it'll bring you to the Google Meet.
I believe it should. Unless it's going to tell me, oh, you can't access this, yada 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 crap. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to save it. Crap. Save. Now. One in default viewer. Link to Google Meet. Ah, it does work.
Easy.
There you go. So in theory, you know what, guys? For my computer science class, do you think we should build a website for it? So that you could just join the meet. I have a permanent meet link, and you just click it and you join it. Just a big button that says join me.
But will the Google Meet be permanent? The link?
Yes.
Wait, shit, I'm muted. Yeah, we can do this as a learning experience.
Yeah.
Maybe the end project, we do it on Friday, I don't know.
Yeah. But you see, it does work. It does bring us to our thing here.
It's really efficient.
So that's,
make a whole website dedicated for one Google Meet link.
Yeah, it's just a big red button, and you click on the red button, and you join. Okay? Okay, but you got that, so that makes sense. I hope. So, anyway, we can change the size of our images and stuff by, hopefully, we do height. Height is equal to whatever you want your height to be, really. 80. Let's make it 80. And our width is going to be equal to our... Let's make it a square, right? 80 again. So what this does is it just tells the image that we're going to make it 80 high, 80 in the Y direction, 80 in the X direction, okay?
Does it stretch it, or does it just cut it?
It depends on the original size. If you just...
Okay, well, if the original size is bigger...
If it's bigger, then this will shrink it. If it's smaller, then this will...
But does it resize it, or does it, like, crop it?
Resize.
Okay.
Oh, that looks nice.
So it resizes it. I don't know. I didn't get my picture to work. But actually, I want this picture to work because I want.
Mine shows like a border around when I don't have an actual image there.
Yeah. It will show something there. Let's just rename this. Let's just do a little trickery here and just do PNG. Yeah. Be unstable. No, me. There you go.
We don't care if it's unstable.
PNG. Let's see how. Oh, sorry. Save. Always save before rerunning, because otherwise it won't work. Aha, we got something. Like this, you're talking
Oh, you
like...
got a size.
Yeah, that's exactly what I have.
Wait, what? I have an actual image.
Well, I didn't actually enter an image, so
Okay.
yeah.
So just try let's see, Baby Yoda
Are you gonna
PNG.
try and put a link?
You could put a link. Is this a PNG? Save image as Yoda.png, right? That's all we need. Save as a PNG.
Did you put it in the same directory as?
Yes, you have to put it in the same
Okay.
directory as. I did put my original one in the same directory, but somehow it. Or maybe if I just remove it and move it to my HTML folder.
No.
And try babyyoda.png and try that.
Wait, Baby Yoda PNG is not in the same folder as your HTML file.
But it is.
Oh, wait, it works. Okay.
Yeah, it's because I made a clone, so I should delete that clone. So actually,
Yes, the PNG works now.
Yeah, just delete this folder. Anyway, we've got that. So notice we've got our Baby Yoda now functioning. So notice how we've shrunk him like this. So we can make him. Let's make him 10 times the size, because we love Baby Yoda so much. So, boom, we have big Baby Yoda, right?
Holy.
Okay, it's beautiful. But if we remove this, what will happen is it will size it to its original size. So this is the original size.
Wait.
So
No change.
No change. I mean, it was a slight change, but not that much. Anyway, so we have our big Baby Yoda. Now what? Let's see. BR. We can do a BR here because I don't want. Boom. We do that. Let's see what it does. Is now we have our meat link underneath, because otherwise it was going to continue from the image. Did you see that? So we've now put our Baby Yoda. We've got our Baby Yoda underneath. Ahead, above our link, and our link joins our Google Meet. Now, okay. Big Baby Yoda. Now we have to just close these. I've got too many Baby Yodas. What's this? Okay. So what is there next to see? How we insert videos. Now, videos is... I kind of don't want to download a video because that's going to take a while. So I have a USB drive, right? And on this USB drive, I have every single video and file that has to go with this book. And because I downloaded it from my school, from my old school. So what if you... Next lesson is I will grab those from there, and then I will upload them to you in some kind of file. And in those files, we can use the videos and stuff from them. Okay. So for now, we'll leave videos out of it. Let's see, what is there to do? Because other than this, right, at the end of the day, everything that we're going to make is going to be a variation that uses this kind of stuff. So,
yeah.
Let's see. I can give you guys a task to do, if that's what you want, to test your HTML skills.
And for now, this web page still looks pretty simple, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
Text and stuff.
What if you want it to look good, we're going to have to use CSS, which I'm going to start talking to you about tomorrow. Because CSS is going to be a far bigger part than the actual HTML, because we've practically done nearly all the HTML that's necessary. There isn't much. But
after you use CSS,
yes,
do you still get HTML file?
Yes.
Okay.
CSS is going to link with your HTML file.
Link with my HTML file.
Yes,
thing is, I'm going to put the HTML file after the visual is done in the HTML. I'm going to put the HTML file in Django stuff and link some of the data to the HTML so it can show.
Yeah.
I don't know what CSS has to do in this part. I don't know if CSS will interfere with.
No. CSS
the data connection.
CSS can change the colors, the fonts. It can change it can put shapes on it. It can arrange things.
Yes.
So what?
But does it put codes into that file, or
it puts
it's
code? It can be operated independently of this. How you do it is you create another file and it'll be a .css file, and then you're going to have a file here in your head that's going to be import this file.
Okay.
And then this file will apply divisions and classes to this, and that will make it. So that's tomorrow's lesson. Okay.
Okay.
That will be
All
the
right.
rest of the week's lesson. For now, I'm just
Okay.
introducing you the ideas of like how do we actually use the HTML language, because it's not advanced. I may as well show you the code for what we use a video for, even though I don't actually have a video for you guys. So, and also how do we do an audio? How do we do audio? Some websites have examples of like recorded speech or something like that. Like if you go on Wikipedia, you can listen to stuff. We can do that as well, and it's really easy. But first, let me show you how we do video. We do videos like such. Video, I can spell it. We go video controls, video controls, and then we do like this, and then we do source src, which technically means source, but whatever. Source src is going to be equal to our whatever our name of our video, okay? I don't know what the name of the video is. I don't have one, but whatever it will be. And then we do /video, like so, right? So this is how we insert a video. So this could be baby Yoda dot mp4, right? That's a video. So we have baby Yoda dot mp4 if there was a video called baby Yoda, okay? So what this does is this literally just places a video there, and you can apply the same height and stuff to this. Okay? And we put it here, so we can, if we really wanted, you can boom do that, right? So what happens if we run this? It's not going to give anything out. It's just
it kind of looks strange.
Yeah, it's going to have a video that doesn't exist, right? And again, how we can fix the video and the text mixing with each other by just putting a BR, a break, and putting another BR afterwards, okay? BR. And now we save that and run it. View in default viewer. See, now we have our text arranged like this. If we go onto any website and we disable the CSS, which I think we can do, I can show you how to do that, and you will see that all websites actually look like this. Without
I think I've seen that before.
Let's go to like a website, I don't know, apple.com, right? US, because nobody likes the Swedish comp. Apple.com, right? So we have apple.com all over here. So click F12.
Oh, it looks so nice.
It looks so nice. And go to F12 and go to elements, right? Notice how if we look up here, it's going to say doc type HTML. I don't know if it's going to say doc type HTML, because at the end of the day, all this is an HTML file.
We copy all this, we can make the exact same.
Yes. Well, it doesn't work per se all the time.
We don't have all the images and all that.
You don't have the functions that Apple does, because this is stored on their servers. Anyway, we can remove, look at the styles. We're going to go to the head, we're going to go to head, and we're going to just remove, oh my god, that's not script. We're going to go to the style bar, and I'll show you. Style is very important, and we'll be using it in CSS. But if we just remove the style section of this, you can see that our website will appear nothing more than the kind of text website that we created. But I don't remember how to delete the style. I need to find a section called style. I mean, I could just delete the head, right? Let's delete the head. Nobody likes the head. Delete element. Boom. Notice. Now, we've disabled the CSS. This is Apple's website.
Oh.
Wow.
It's just our code now.
It looks just like our code.
It looks actually terrible.
Yeah.
There you go. That's HTML for you. That's
it. Okay.
So
that's all of HTML, right?
That's all. All that you see now is HTML. But what I deleted was the CSS code or Django.
Yeah.
But really, Django, what it does is really it interfaces CSS. It's a form of writing CSS. At the end of the day, CSS is the thing that makes websites look pretty.
Okay, I mean, I've done some Django. I don't see how it connects to CSS. 'Cause I haven't used it. That's why I'm asking if CSS interferes Django anyway.
No, it shouldn't.
Oh, it shouldn't. Then it's good.
CSS is another language per se. The internet is built using 3 languages. HTML builds the backbone. It's the text. JavaScript builds the buttons and like the interactions with it. Like you can have animations and games and other things. And then it's CSS, which builds the visual look of your website. So this is literally what Apple's website looks without CSS. Not that much different than our kind of website, right?
Do we have to learn Django though?
I can't.
I mean, sorry. Do we have to learn Java though?
I can teach you like a few lines of JavaScript
I mean,
so that you can make like
the things,
buttons.
to create a website, do we have to learn Java or?
Nah, not really. I mean, I can teach you what to write if you want to put like buttons and stuff.
If we have buttons, we need Java.
You need JavaScript, not Java. Java's a different language. JavaScript. Ryan, you've done some JavaScript.
Yeah, I've done some Java. I know a bit.
If you want, all I'm going to have to do, it's not that difficult, it's just a few lines, it's not much JavaScript, it's like...
But the stuff I know is similar to like the stuff we've done in Python, like the basics.
Yeah, it's not necessary, we can skip over JavaScript, because if you're making a basic website that doesn't require, like, changing images when you click a button, or like, animations and stuff, it's not necessary.
I think we don't need animations, but we do need some button, you know? People need buttons to, I don't know. You for example, they want to insert text, right? You need the button to insert the text. You click on this button, a text box pops up, and you can start inserting text.
Okay, I don't think that requires Java. You can do that with just HTML.
No, okay.
But
I mean, all we need is buttons.
Yeah, buttons is a few lines of code in JavaScript that you just write up into. Where do you write it? You write it into your head, I believe. You just write it in your head here, some Java, and that's it. Right. So
yeah. So we're good with buttons.
Yes, we're good with buttons. Apart from, let's see. I forgot to show you one last thing. Is now that we have our video, right? We can also insert our audio. So our audio recordings, as here we go.
Audio controls.
Yes, I believe so. It's been a while though. Let me give me a sec. Interesting. Yes, it's audio controls. Yada yada yada. Oh, and by the way, you can insert these things, these links and stuff, inside paragraphs. Think about it. We can have text out on the side. Let's say... how am I going to do this?
Do you do P?
Yeah, P. And then we write our text like, here it is. Right, here it is, right? That's could be... And then we do our P on the other side. Like so, right? And our save it, and now that we run it, you'll see here it is, the link to the meet, right? There you go. So there we can write our paragraph, and we can put videos in the same thing. We can do videos, and we can do audio, we can do whatever. We can put them in paragraphs, or we could put them in our headings, or we could put them in our lists. If you want, we can put like lists of links, for example, right? That's also doable. So I'm gonna end off the tutorial part of this lesson with the audio, and then I'm going to email you a picture of a website that I have here in my book, right, in my thing. I'll email you the picture of the final website, and what I want you to do is to make it, right? And when you guys have made it, present your screen with the code. Okay?
Okay.
But first, let me just show you the audio is, like Neo said, it's just going to be audio controls source src baby yoda.mp3. We could have a Baby Yoda song, right? And you can't really do the height and width because you can't change that about audio. But so we're just going to do this, and then we're just going to end with our Audio. Audio. I can spell, okay? Audio. There you go. And let me check if that is correctamundo. It is correctamundo. Very good. So that's it. So let's save. What happens then? I'm curious. It's going to come up with audio that doesn't exist. So it looks like this.
Ah, yes.
Right? There
That's
you go.
nice.
There you go. Questions? Sarcastic comments? What I'm curious though, right? What if we insert instead of here a file for our video, let's insert a YouTube video, right? What if we
What do you mean?
Like instead of inserting a file that we've downloaded natively, what if we want to insert a video?
Oh, okay.
So let's go to my favorite YouTube channel, LTT, Linus Tech Tips, and let us just find a video, right? Okay, let's have him shout in NVIDIA for a sec. We can share what we share, and we're just going to embed it. Oh wow, you can actually embed this into your website like so. So we just copy this, right? Copy this embedded.
What is that? Is that a link?
Yeah, it's an embedded, so it's going to paste something that looks like that, right? And now if we save and run, we should, hopefully, we have a video.
Ah, yes.
There you go.
Easy.
That's how ManageBack does it.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that's exactly how ManageBack does it.
So you've got it like this.
Wait, so you can do like when user is importing something, they put the link there, and the link automatically becomes a video.
Yes.
Okay.
But how this works is like this. It works like this. Go to, I'll do it step by step again. Where did I go to? Where the heck did I go to? Where's my website?
Wait, it teleported away?
Yeah, it's gone. Well, anyway, let's go to...
Wait, what's there?
We'll go to some YouTube channel or whatever. Anything, any video can be embedded. So all that you have to do is find a video, right? Find a video and then go to the share, right? Go to share and then click embedded. So find a video. So you guys, YouTube, find a video, share, click embedded, and then copy this code, right? You can also change at what time this video starts at. So click at start here and then select the time you want to start the video at. Okay?
So if frame width, all that stuff, you copy.
And copy and put it wherever you want in your HTML.
Wait, so once you find it, you click...
You do video control.
You click like this, Ryan. You go to share, you go to embedded, okay? And then copy this code.
Embedded. Copy.
SRC.
And then insert it, Ryan, where you want it in your website. So between...
Just like... Yeah. Okay.
And then you should notice that we have... Boom, we have a YouTube video in our website.
Wait, so you don't put it in video name?
No. You just insert it anywhere. Just copy and paste that code somewhere.
Because it came with the code already, right?
Yeah, this is a pre-built for you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Wait, can I see the code?
Yeah.
Oh, it's there.
Allow full screen iframe. Wait, you just put it anywhere. You don't have to like.
No,
because it comes with the code for you.
Yeah,
That's
it comes
crazy.
with the code
Put
for
video. Okay.
So you insert the code wherever you want. I wanted it between, for example, I wanted it between my Baby Yoda. Let's see, between my Baby Yoda and my link. So I inserted it there. Okay.
Ah, yes.
Oh, this is funny. Okay.
So that you can do that, right?
But right now, other people can't access this website, right?
Yes, nobody can.
We need something like a Django to do it.
Yeah, you also need a publisher and a domain, which I don't know very much about.
Publish the domain. I'm gonna start a server. I guess there are free servers online. I guess.
Yeah.
You can do that.
Yeah, you can do that.
And we ain't paying.
What?
Server.
You're not paying for a server. I have a web server. Do you want a web server? You can make your own server, guys, and host it yourself.
Yeah, but it's hosted on your computer, right?
Yeah, which means it needs to
And
be...
you have to keep your computer up to keep the server up.
Yeah. I have a NAS server. I could do it on there, but, like, never mind. Do it however you guys want. I'm just here to teach you the basics of HTML, right? And CSS, I guess. Because at the end of the day, there's not much more to this. That's pretty much it.
For the HTML?
There is nothing else to it other than the style section, which is linked to the style,
CSS?
which is here, style. But that's all linked to CSS.
Okay. Yeah, but that's what we're gonna do tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we can start. We can do the exercise now.
Yes, you can do. You guys can do the exercise. Let me bring my iPad so that I can photocopy, choose the exercise I want. By the way, this has images and stuff, so all you're going to have to do, guys, is just put in the image as if it was there, right?
Okay.
Because I don't have the actual image file for you guys.
So just like imaginary images.
Yes, just an imaginary sound for this one as well. Okay?
Oh, okay.
So, excuse me for 1 second.
Basically, we just do the basic format, and that's it.
Yeah, the basic format stuff. It's actually kind of funny because these are distinctly Scottish. You'll notice by like the place names and stuff that these are intended and made for Scottish people. Like you'll see here for this exercise, I think this is Clydesview. I've been to Clydesview before. Let's see. Anyway, I'm sure they're not that difficult to understand. So anyway, done, and I will email this to you guys. Gmail.
Where do you want us to send it back?
I'll get you guys to take a screenshot of your code, right?
Okay. It's not gonna be too long, right?
No. Shouldn't be that long. To Chen
Name
Ryan
it.
subject HTML exercise. Okay, I've sent it. Well, it's sending. So you guys should done. Okay. Check your email, and it will be there for you guys.
I clicked save as. Does it automatically take it to the same file?
Yeah. Well, for a new one or for the one.
A new one.
For a new one, yeah, it should bring it back to where you started. If not, you can just move the file around.
Clydesville. Is that?
No, that's not the pronunciation.
Is that a Scottish name?
Clydesview.
Clydesville.
Yes, it's a place shop in Glasgow.
Burnside Mall.
Burnside.
Gulrock.
I don't know how to pronounce.
I feel like Neil's butchering every name he says.
Gurok. Grok.
Gurok.
I don't know. I can't pronounce that myself.
Oh.
Wait, what did I do?
Beans ground.
Oh no.
Cheese and pickle.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, so we gotta make that in our shop. Okay, coffee shop.
And then once we have made that, we can end it there for today. Yeah.
Yep.
So I'll stay here, and we'll do you two do that.
I have a chemistry question after that, just like a little question.
And chemistry.
But okay, yeah, but now we're recording. I'm not asking that.
Okay. Just when you're finished, you can ask your chemistry question. Let's see.
Oh yeah, .html at the end. That's what I'm forgetting.
And if you guys like, I can, if you guys want, if I put this here, go to send, and then that should be control, Command R. And there, it's on the screen for you guys if you guys want.
Oh, okay, that's much better.
so that you guys
Yeah,
can.
no problem.
No problem. You guys can now view it like so. There's the exercise. Clydesdale brings excellent coffee and pastries to the heart of.
So I'm gonna type all that stuff, right?
Yes.
All right.
I want you guys to.
Oh, I was just gonna put text.
No, Ryan.
Text about coffee.
You're not getting the easy way out. Also,
Okay.
Neil, pronounce this.
What?
Yeah.
Is there your?
Yeah.
Which one?
I'm surrounding it with my mouse. At the
Oh
bottom.
no.
Inverse.
The picture coming.
Inverclide.
Inverclyde. Yeah, not bad.
That was
Inverclide.
decent. What the heck?
Not bad.
That was actually good.
Well, I've learned phonetic symbols, so I'm good at pronouncing, I guess.
I'm curious.
Not when it comes to some weird Scottish accents.
Yeah. I'm not sure how to pronounce Gurok, though. I've never been to Gurok. See, pronunciation. Pronounce. Gurok, pronounce. Let's see.
Gurek.
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 Apparently. Let's see what the Americans sound.
Gorak.
Gorak.
Yeah, Gorak.
Gorak sounds better.
Wait,
Gurek.
is it Scottish Gurek? If you pronounce it
How
Scottish.
to pronounce Gurok? Let's see. This is the Scottish
Gurok.
Gorok.
Gorok. That's a weird town name, but yeah, okay, we got a Gorok.
Gorok.
Clydeview.
Clydeview. I like how you say Clydeview.
Yes.
Clydeview.
Right.
3 o'clock tomorrow. Are you guys okay with that?
Yep.
Okay.
Ryan?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's wrong?
Can you do BR within paragraphs? So between P and slash P.
Between P and slash P, where are we looking for? BR. I don't know. I've never tried. Go ahead and try.
All right.
Well, I don't see a reason you would use it though. Just start a new paragraph.
Well, but then.
No, you need to do random stuff to try and break it. So that's just how it is.
Let me try. All right, we'll try a BR here and see what happens.
All right.
Okay, yeah, it does this.
Oh, it does work. All right.
Okay, it does work. It's kind of like the Python version of this.
/n.
Yeah, it's the \n in Python. Oh, sorry.
Where's this image?
We'll
There it is.
I like to use that then. BR.
My websites seem to disappear.
Oh, but do you by any chance know how to do italic?
Italics would yes, I did know how to do italics. I believe it was. Let me check the book.
I was just gonna leave it how it is. Not gonna lie.
Italic. You just put I. You do like
Okay, I and /I.
I and /I. Yes.
Okay.
We are going to just test that just to make sure. I /I.
Yeah, it works for me.
Okay, yeah, it works for me. I'm not sure why strong didn't work though. Strong should work.
I think you put it in the wrong place. It's not supposed to be put. The strong not supposed to be put there. Cause I tried bold. I tried B. All didn't work.
B should work.
No, it didn't work. So that means you put it's at the wrong place.
Let's put B here.
Image.
Yeah, B does work.
Yes, but the last time it didn't work for me.
Yeah, I'm not sure why, but just here it is for you. For your bold, because you're gonna have our bold italics and our bold stuff here. Do the B's on each side. Ryan, did you see that? to do the bold. That's bold now. It used to be strong, but now it's B. Right?
Okay.
And italics are this. Okay?
Already done.
Very good. So just email me a...
Oh, I meant done with italics bit.
Oh, okay.
Not the whole thing. No.
Just once you're done, email me the code and also email me a view of the website.
Okay.
Like, what does it look like when you print it? Or you could just present your screen. Either way.
Yeah, I'm going to do that.
And at the end of this lesson, I have a Google form for you guys to fill out because what I'm trying to do is, because this is a very short, like 5-day, 7-day thing, at the end of every lesson, can you fill out this Google form?
I have to type this whole essay out?
Yes.
Holy. I'm not some speed typer like
Coffee
Neil.
shop. Yes, springs. Oh, now we need the bold and italic.
Yes.
We just put them together?
Yes.
B and I? Okay.
Or you're going to have to do like so. You're going to have to do B like this.
E.
Like
Yeah,
that.
yeah. That's what I'm gonna do.
Does it matter if you swap them around?
No.
Okay.
In theory, it just means who overwrites who, but at the end of the day, look, it doesn't make a difference. He's still going to be angry.
Damn, mine looks good.
Ryan, what are you eating?
I'm eating chips.
I respect that.
You are surprised I can multitask and do both at the same time.
I'm super surprised, Ryan. I'm surprised you could do work in the first place.
Not wrong.
Okay. There's this great website called W3 Schools, and it's there where you have loads of like commands and stuff for HTML.
Nice. Oh, a data booklet as well.
Yeah. I have my notes. They're gonna have to be photocopied. I think I'll photocopy them today and get them to you. Okay.
You know, remember that I'm fussed with typing with one hand?
Yeah.
This is where eating and typing at the same time come in handy.
On the second line, including chalk chip. Is that two words or?
Chalk chip. Whatever you like. It doesn't matter.
I have no idea what that is.
It means chocolate chip, but my
Oh,
teacher,
okay.
the great Mr. Stephen O'Connell, did not think it through that he would have to write it in one word, so he decided to write it in 2 words.
Yes.
There you go, the great Stephen O'Connell. He taught me how to code.
A computer science teacher?
Yes, he was very, I don't know how to describe him, and I'm not going to on camera, because if this ends up somewhere and he finds out, he's going to be really annoyed.
Okay, we
PR...
use the word unique then. Is he very unique?
Yes, unique is a correct word.
Good terminology.
Yes, Neil?
How do you do a space? Do you do another BR?
Yes.
BR changes line and add a space?
It just changes line. Like, it just underneath. It won't add a space, you just click space.
Okay, but you see under tuna mayo, there's a space.
Then you just do a BR.
Oh, okay.
That's
just
what BR does
another
originally,
BR.
It adds a space.
Okay.
It means break.
Okay. So crispy.
Okay. Girl, where is girl?
You know what BLT stands for?
Yes, bacon, lettuce, and tomato.
Okay.
It's a type of sandwich. They're pretty good.
Oh, it's sandwich. Okay.
Yeah, I recommend.
Bacon, cheese, and tomato. I think
Bacon
I have to say
lettuce.
that for lunch.
Bacon lettuce and tomato. That's really
Yeah,
good.
yeah, yeah.
Wait,
Bacon
you call
lettuce.
that men's meal? Really?
No, I don't eat sandwiches in China. I never ate Chinese. Only in airports I eat sandwiches, and they're mad expensive.
Yeah.
But that's how it is.
Yeah.
I'm almost done with the essay.
Offer a wide range of fresh sandwiches. This is the most British thing ever, you can tell. Because we... Fresh range of sandwiches. And our beans ground daily. Okay, that's coffee beans. That's not what I read it. Okay. Where is Gurrock? I'm curious now. Gurrock. Gurrock, Scotland. Where are you? That's not even that far from where I used to live. Oh my god. It's like an hour's drive from where I used to live. Okay. That's Gurrock.
And the essay is done.
Good.
Let's go.
Now it's time for your BLT and tuna mayo sandwiches.
Jeez Louise. Holy.
I would like to tell you you're very welcome, Ryan. I am very happy to make you suffer just that tad bit longer.
Okay.
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 Now it's time to really begin. To chip all this to the side.
Shh. I am.
Why is my audio file not showing?
I mean, if it's not, it's a kind of a hit or miss whether or not it'll show if you don't actually have an audio source.
Yeah, I don't have an audio source.
There it is.
I don't actually remember what the audio sounded like. I'm gonna find it and listen to it, just because I'm curious. Because, oh my god, there's a video of Scottish people talking. And it's like this video that is on our website that we made, and honestly, they're ununderstandable. Not even the people in Scotland could understand them. So I think you guys would enjoy it.
To make an audio file, do you like audio control?
Yes.
And then source S. Okay, that's why I put SCR instead of SRC.
Yeah, because it goes like source, and SCR would be.
Still don't have the audio file. I should have like a audio file, but there's nothing there.
Yeah, just leave it empty. Just put like 2 quotation marks with nothing in the middle.
Yeah, put something.mp3.
Okay, yeah, something.mp3.
No, I actually put yeet.mp3, but
Okay.
if I leave it open, if I leave it nothing there,
yeet.mp3.
does it still give? No, it doesn't give an audio file.
Yeah.
Is it because I put it inside the paragraph?
Yeah.
Control X.
Okay, BLT.
No, the audio is not showing.
Yeah, alright.
Should I share my screen just like
Yeah, go ahead.
in a minute?
But why is the audio not showing? Is the audio not showing?
It might not show. It depends. Just put an imaginary file in there, like yeet.mp3.
My audio showed when I did the thing.
Did you put something inside there?
Yeah, I just put random things.
Yeah, just do something.mp3. Okay, Neil, we see your screen. Let me just...
Okay. This is my text file.
Okay, yeah, let's see. Blue Demon 1.png.
That's one PNG I had on my desktop. So
Okay, I got you. Unit H1 title to your essay, small essay there. You got our BLT. Did you put it as an ordered list or an unordered list? Unordered list, that's good. BR experience with our audio, our free available. Yep, that's perfect. Just run it up.
this It doesn't show anything. Is that good?
Put a file in there and write yeet.mp4 or mp3.
MP3.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did that.
Try that.
Control.
And run it.
There's nothing here.
Did you save it?
Yes.
Okay.
I can save it again.
Don't worry. Don't like bog yourself down about it.
It's saved. Wait, why did I open up Minecraft?
Try okay. What I want you to do is go back to your HTML and right in where you have your audio, right? Switch, copy and paste all that audio stuff inside of that P. So,
Okay, I did that. It didn't work.
So there, put it there. Try now. Just out of curiosity. Did you save it?
Yep.
Okay, don't worry about it. It's hit and miss. You actually have to have a file there for it to function.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna just put that file in there.
Okay, do you have an audio
I
file?
have. Yes, I do have an audio file. It's in new music.
Okay, yeah. Choose something from there.
Control C. Control V.
Mm-hmm.
Rename. Oh, that's a long one.
Just, yeah.
All right.
Try that.
Control S. Now we go there. Nothing.
That's weird.
Can you go to your code and see what you did there?
I did exactly like that.
What? Wait. You sure?
Audio controls. Let me check a second.
Wait, is it audio controls or audio control?
Audio controls with an S.
With an S? Okay, I didn't put an S there.
Okay.
So, bro.
Neil.
Now I run it. Now it's there.
Yeah, so you've got some. Does it function?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so we've got your music there. You've got that. All good. So there you go, Neil. That's your
Okay.
That's your thing all done, Ryan.
Great.
You up?
I'm so close.
Okay.
I'm so close.
And then when we got that, we'll end our session. This was an hour and 15 minutes, so I think we'll get to like 1 hour 20.
Not my fault. Neil could type like at the speed of light.
It's okay, Ryan. Hey,
And
the
he's
longer
typing
we
with
take,
one hand.
hey, the longer we take, the longer I can put it for Cass. Okay.
Well, the thing is, I'm quicker with one hand, Neil. So it's not really.
Really?
Yeah, because I told you. Because I'm used to playing games.
Let's practice.
I'm done.
Okay.
Wait, I'm checking if it actually works first.
And then cast it up, and then we can end it off for today.
Easy clap.
And then CSS. Hell yeah.
My tab window. I'll do the window.
Okay, let's see.
I can show the website next.
I mean, it looks the same as Neil's, so if you just play the website, that's really what matters at the end of the day. What did you do, Ryan?
Give me 3 seconds.
It's okay, no worries. Okay, so yeah.
Yes, bro.
Why is that a header? Unit 100. That's not
Okay.
supposed to be.
Okay,
Is it
fair
not?
enough. Yeah, Neil's got a point. That should be shouldn't be a header.
Okay, yeah.
Should be a paragraph. But
Okay, I can just. I changed it already. Well, watch, I'm gonna load it and it's gonna be different. Bah. Wait, why isn't it changing? Oh, wait.
Oh, reloading doesn't work. You gotta rerun it.
there you go.
Oh wait, I need to change both of them.
Yeah.
What am I doing?
Really, it doesn't. I mean, as long as you got that, that's kind of it. I mean,
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
there you go. And then you have your Clydesdale coffee shop title for your H1, but really it doesn't matter.
Oh wait, I made a title. Oh, what am I? Okay, dude, I don't know what I'm on anymore. Dude, watch it. It's gonna be there like instant.
The joys of having 2 monitors, isn't it, Ryan?
Yep.
I'm
True.
watching this on my second monitor, so.
Dude, I can relate to having 2 monitors. Is actually the best investment I ever
I
made.
can't.
I'm the only one here having one monitor.
You're in the
Okay, easy.
minority.
Already done.
Okay, yeah, that's all good. All good. Let me just end the recording then.